Jai Hind everyone. I am Abhimanyu Pratap Singh Chauhan. Today is 14th March 2025. Today is Holi and we all celebrated a lot. But I came with the next video. Our topic is, can we balance our life by getting enjoyment from all other aspects? And also we all have to balance all, or we can say stick to our work. Can these things can be workable parallelly? So, gentlemen, if you want to achieve something in your life, or if you want to do a great change, or we can say a great, you are having a great aim, then you have to go deep in that. You cannot balance each and everything. You have to make your time precious. Along with this, you have to take your time from other activities where the time is not important. It means you have to prioritize your life. Your priority should be your goal, or we can say your aim. And ultimately you have to target that you have to achieve blah blah things. And until you are achieved that, you don't have to waste your time. That might be holy auspicious festival or any other festival, we can say. So we all have to chill up, not in a in the sense of each and every person. No, we all have to stick to our decisions, but we don't have to start something suddenly. We have to make a change in our life, but that must be gradual. Because whenever we take some form, we decisions, and we take strict decisions, and because of their strictness we don't follow it for more than 3 days. It might be followed for 1.5 day or 2 to 3 days. It can never ever be exceed for your in in the discipline manner. So gentlemen, you have to make your goals small. Your goal might be colossal, but your goal should be broken into small aims. Because whenever you will achieve your small goal, then you will get a inspiration to achieve another, which are the subset of your goals. So whenever you will start by this method, then you will not lose your hope to achieve your colossal aim or great aim. So first of all, you have to make your aim. And if you are following something, then you have to immediately stand up. Because life can never ever be balanced. Life is completely scattered. There is a huge chaos, and in this chaos we all have to make our place, and we have to bear a pressure on ourselves. Whenever we will bear a pressure on ourselves, and then we will prepare for something, and then there might be not a 100% efficiency. There might be some lackness, but we might be lacked there. But we don't have to lose our hope. We have to make it continue. We don't have to do everything. So we don't have to get suppressed by things. Ultimately, the purpose of making this video is, you have watched hundreds or we can say millions of the videos, but are those videos affecting your life? Not directly, but it might affect indirectly. There some points might be there which you are following by own, not making efforts for that. That is done by own. So ultimately, what is your goal? Your goal is to achieve a great place for which you will be able to satisfied. Along with this, you will able to make a benefit for society, and you should able to do work for your society. So these are only theoretical things. Ultimately you have to achieve a happiness and satisfaction. You should do those things in which you are satisfied. So you have to trying controlling yourself. Until you will not control yourself, Until you will control yourself, you will never ever able to feel happiness. So you have to cut out from many things. You have to focus on your goal gradually. This process should be started gradually. You don't have to taking suddenly. No, you have to start gradually. But whenever you will start gradually, then you will get more inspiration. Then gradually you have to increase. You don't have to be constant, you have to be rampant. But that should be a linear graph, not exponential. Okay, so this is the main reason. Now we have to discuss about balance. No, we cannot balance our life. We Whatever we have to achieve, we all have to always think about that. Without thinking about that, without making the assimilation of the thoughts about that, we will never ever be to achieve about that. Because the things which we think, those come in a practical manner in our life. So we don't have to balance our life. The things which we want to achieve, we have to penetrate on that by forgetting, by hooks or by crook, by forgetting each and every path of the life. We all have to cut. And I know that this is not easy, but you don't have to lose the hope at the last breath also, because I have experienced such kind of situations also. I'm not talking any theoretical knowledge. These things can be experienced by me also. I have given my written examination of NDA and I cracked it in with my class 12th. But because of some reasons, that might be my problem or anything, I could not clear my SSB interview. I was cut conference out from there. And then I cleared my SSB interview for NDA also. I cleared my interview, but I was medical out because of myopia. I was suffering from myopia recently. Final merit came and I saw my name, but because of medical I cannot join National Defense Academy. So this is a kind of setback for me, but then also I am fighting for that, because I know that one day we will achieve. Because I have read a statement from the Ramayana, जही के जही पर सत्य सनेहू ता पर मिले न कछ संदेहू. If you want to achieve something with a soul, then any other external power cannot dictate you at any cost. That might be your loving relation, that might be your goal, that might be any of the situation of your life. If you love it, if you want it from depth of the heart, then it can never ever be detached by you. If it is detaching from yourself, then it is mandatory to detach, because nature has planned everything. You have to just follow the nature. You cannot resist the things. You can do whatever is in your hands. You cannot resist nature, because challenging nature is not a good habit. By challenging nature, any people can never ever be happy. Everyone have to challenge oneself only. Challenging nature is not a good habit. A people can never ever be happy whenever he challenges the nature. So we don't have to challenge the nature. We just have to trust on the nature. We all have to trust on the karma. Yes, Bhagavad Gita says we all have to trust on the karma. We should give our input. We don't have to think about the output. Input should be 100%. Output might be any kind of. We don't have to be dictate with that. We all have to make a patience. Although this is not practically possible 100%, but we all have to try it. Because when the ultimate solution of all problems, yes, I am talking about the millions, or we can say crores of the problems of the life. There are hundreds of millions of thousand crores. There's number of the problems in our life, and those all problems can be solved by the one solution. That is a practice. Yes, abhyas. Because whenever we want to get a new skill, then we all have to make a practice. When we want to forget something, then we all have to practice. When we all have to learn something, that might be educational, that might be any practical knowledge, but we all have to practice for that. So ultimately the solution is practice. Whenever there is a saint and who want to connect with the God, then it is mandatory that he has to practice certain laws, certain things. Without practicing those laws, those things, a saint cannot get Bhagwan also, God also. So how can we achieve the things without practicing? So the ultimate solution is the practice. We all have to practice at that level where people will see that wow, it is surprising. No, people might be surprised, but you have to be just neutral. No, how? Nothing is matter because I have practiced hundred of times. But we all have to think about time also, because the time is bounded. But we all have to make our efficiency. We all have to try to increase our efficiency. I'm talking about those people who can think they intellectually. Although there might be some people who are completely lay down, they don't have the internal power to stand, so they don't have to lose their hope. The things which are happening in your life, those things are mandatory to happen, because these things will help you to learn new things. If you worked hard, you gave your 100 or 200%, and then also you are lacking somewhere, you are not getting whatever other peoples are getting, it means that because of some work about which you might not be aware, and because of those works, those kukhyat karma bole to, bad habit, malpractices, you are not getting your goal. You might be not aware about that, or you might be aware about that also. So because of those malpractices, you are not achieving that. But you don't have to lose the hope. You have to stay on the track, and one day, trust on my these statements, that one day you will achieve. We all have to make a bounce back, every day bounce back. We might feel hundreds of the pressure, millions of the pressure, and we all have to bear those pressures boldly. We don't have to lose the hope, because a man can achieve whatever he can think, and we can think hundreds of things. So believe me, gentlemen, you can achieve whatever you can think. I hope you got a good information from my video. If you are getting a good information from my video and you want to support me, then subscribe to my channel, and along the hit the like button. And some people were asking to me that, tell me about your educational background. So gentlemen, in 2024 I cleared my class 12th. Along with this, I have given my NDA written for 3 times, in which first time I was screened out, second time I was conference out, third time I was medical out, and I have given my TES entry also, in which I was conference out. Although in my NDA attempt I have screened out, conference out, ultimately medical out also. So whenever I can bear such problems, and I am facing those problems, and I am tackling gradually, so you can tackle also. Because I was screened out from Allahabad, and then I was conference out from uh, mm, what Dehradun, and then this time I was uh, conference in from Gandhinagar, 3 FSB Gandhinagar. But then because of myopia, I got temporary rejection TR for 45 days, and I make my therapy, and that therapy was not succeeded. And in the given time, I was not able to recollect my eyes, and I could not correct it my power, and because of which I got complete, we can say, permanent rejection. I am permanent rejected this time also. So this is time to lose. I might lose hope, but gentlemen, I'm not losing any hope, because I trust on the God, and the things which God do, those things are good to me. Because until those things will not happen, until those things will happen, I'll not learn new things, because these things are trying to give me some lessons, that by practicing these things, I might get hundreds of the things, because these things are trying to give me some lessons. And if I will not take the lessons from them, then how could I'll be able to tackle other problems which might come in our life? Because everyone is completely aware about that the life of the people is having a lots of ups and downs, and a man has to tackle all ups and downs boldly. So gentlemen, I hope you got a good information. So I cleared my class 12th in my 2024, and this time I took a drop for my NDA, but I couldn't clear NDA this time also. So this is a kind of setback for me, but I don't think it is setback for me, because setback does not exist. Setback can be experienced by those people who don't work hard. I can work hard, and I trust on my own hard work. Whenever I can, until I have a breath, until I have legs, until I have hands, until I have those senses by which I can earn money, I can earn fame, I can earn those things by which my life can be moved, then I'll not lose my hope at the last breath. So I'm not any motivational speaker. I am just sharing my experience which I have experienced. And although I don't trust on the God, I trust on the nature. That nature exists. Yes. I trust on the Ramji, but if I trust on the Ramji. But if some people say that do these rituals, so I don't do any ritual. I just trust on the God, and I just believe that God tries to help each and every aspect of your life. So I am being a non-believer of the God. I believe on the God. So this is a kind of critical situation for me. I hope you got a good information by video. Again, I am saying that don't lose your hope. You just have to focus on your career, focus on your parents, focus on your friends. Those are helping you. You just have to constrain yourself. You don't have to make a exposure to everyone. No, you have to constrain yourself. You have to limit yourself, and by gradually you will be able to see that you have make a great change in your life, because great changes happens because of small changes. So try to change small things, and one day you will realize you have changed a lot. And you have to change yourself. You cannot think to change any other people. You can amend yourself, you can change yourself, you can alter yourself. That is in your hands. Don't try to think about other people. Radhe Radhe. Trust on the God, trust on the nature, trust on the atmosphere, trust on the God. One day you will get success, and one day you will get those things which you cannot think of. Just stay positive. You don't have to lose your hope. You have to just strong. You just have to positive. You have to cheerful. You have to connected with my YouTube channel, and you will not lose your hope. I hope you got a good information my video again. So like, subscribe, and support me. And the things which you are experiencing in your life, you may share on my comment box, and I'll try to give the reply that those at which area you can amend yourself. Although I don't have much education, I'm not I know I have not studied for something, but I have experienced those things. I'm telling just this. I don't have experience of 30 to 40 years. No, I just have experience of 1 to 2 years, less than that also. But if you are getting help, then you can tell me, because if you are getting help, then telling me something is not a problem. Okay, Radhe Radhe.